YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix MSVCP110.dll is missing or not found in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to copy the link that I'll be pasting at the description box below. And there are two links there, which are for 64-bit PC and for 32-bit PC. Now, how would you check either you have the 64 or 32-bit PC? So you need to proceed to your button search bar and type for info. The moment you have typed it, wait until a best match would appear, which is system information, and go with open to continue. Okay. So here under the system information, you would be able to go with system type, and there you would be able to find out what system type do you have in your computer. So my computer has 64-bit. So either you have the 64-bit or 32-bit here. And once you have identified such, proceed on copying the link that is compatible to your system type. In my case, I have already downloaded such, but in your case, you have to proceed to your browser and download such. Once you have downloaded it, you need to open the file location, and here you need to copy the DLL file that you have downloaded. Once you have copied it, proceed directly to your disk PC, click on it, go with your local disk, double tap to it, and proceed to Windows. Double tap once again, and here you need to look for the first folder, which is System 32. So I can see it here, double tap once again. And this time here in this area, please do a right click and go with paste. Once you have pasted it, I have already the file. I'll just click on replace the file into the destination and wait until it will be done here. Okay. So once it is being set, proceed on this backward arrow. And this time you need to look for the second file folder, which is syswow32. Double tap once again, and in this area, please do a right click and go with paste. Go with continue and wait until it will be done. Once everything are set, close this window and restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, check if your problem has been fixed. So try to run any application or game that you wanted to be installed here in your Windows or computer. Okay, so those are the steps on how to fix your problem. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.